So this is my for first program, I think probably on list. So let us see how we can do this. What is this question 110? You see this? Yeah. So we are asking some input, first input. Then I'm creating an empty list. Why? Because the moment I enter a list, I need to attach it to some other list. Okay. So then store చేయాలి కాబట్టి అందుకని ఒక empty list create చేస్తున్నాను. After that I'm writing a loop. So while n is not equal to 0. ఎందుకు n is not equal to 0 condition తీసుకుంటున్నాను? Because here it is mentioned that so program should continue reading values until the user enters 0. So 0 enter చేస్తే అక్కడికి ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ అవ్వాలి, టర్మినేట్ అయిపోవాలి. ఓకేనా? సో 0 ఎంటర్ చేస్తే టర్మినేట్ అయిపోవాలి. సో అందుకని చెప్పేసి ఇఫ్ n is not equal to 0 that will be appended, otherwise it will stop asking the input. ఇప్పుడు ఆ n అనేది యాడ్ అవుతుంది, తర్వాత నెక్స్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ అడుగుతుంది. సో దెన్ ఇట్ విల్ ప్రింట్ ద లిస్ట్ A. ఓకే. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇఫ్ ఐ రన్ దిస్, for example I will enter 10, then next number it is asking 20, then next number 30, next number 40, next number 50, next number 60, next number 70, next number 80, next number 90, next I'll enter 0. The moment I'll enter 0, so it is stop asking the input, and now all the numbers are stored in a list. Okay. కాబట్టి వాడు సార్ట్ చేయమన్నాడు కాబట్టి సార్ట్ చేయాలంటే ఫంక్షన్ ఏంటి? రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్ లో నార్మల్ సార్ట్ చేయాలంటే సార్ట్ అనే ఫంక్షన్ ఉంది. దాన్ని రివర్స్ ఆర్డర్ లో స్టార్ట్ చేయాలంటే రివర్స్ ఈక్వల్ టు ట్రూ పెట్టండి. దట్స్ ఇట్. ఓకే. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ నౌ లెట్ us enter a random numbers. First number is 10, second number 5, third number 45, then 15, then 16, then 89, then 88, then 78, then 36, then 14, then 2, then last 0. Now you see these are the elements which we have entered, and these are the list. Okay, sorted list. So like this, the question is, try to execute this. Once it is done, you tell me. Once it is done, you tell me. So like this, here we have used two functions. One is append, second is sort. Two things we have used. Now next question. If you want to sort in the reverse order, same. Just now I told you, you have to use reverse equal to true. Then that will sort in reverse order. Now what to do is, you try this now 113. You try this 113 now. It has to take only once. We should not take input multiple times. That is what exactly we have to do. what. So here we are operating with the strings. So if I run this, first we'll run this, then you'll understand. So I'll enter, for example, FIRST first, then second. Any string you can enter, third, first. I'm entering the string multiple times, right? How should I terminate this? If I simply press enter, it will terminate. I have entered first, second, third, two times, but still, finally I got output only once. This is what avoiding the duplicates. Okay. So check this. Yeah, now you do this. 114. You try this now. Similar, but here we are operating with the negative numbers. That's it. Numbers and positive numbers and sorted. Okay. But you can use the same sort function. You try that. Once again, you try. It's similar to question number 1110 or 1111. First చూపించిన program ఉంది కదా, same program లానే ఉంటుంది. Try చేయండి ఒకసారి. Try to execute. Let us go to next question. Yeah, a proper divisor is positive number and is evenly into n. Write a function that computes all. We didn't discuss about a function. Now next is this one. This perfect number. So it's not write a function. You write a program. You make it this word. You make it a program. Write a program that determines whether or not a perfect number. Okay. So what is perfect number? This is the perfect number they have given. You try this now. 116. You try. To try 116, okay? You take this 119. 119, you take it as a homework. 119, you take it as a homework. So you have to print above average value separately and below average value separately and equal to value separately. Okay, it is extension to the first program. 1110 on the other than extension. Okay, na? So write a program that reads number from the user until a blank line is entered. The program should display the average of all the values entered by the user, and the program should display all of the below average values followed by all of the average values followed by all of the above average values. An appropriate label should be displayed before each list of values. Okay, right. Next question is, you take this, formatting a list. So this little big question, but not small only. So take this first part of question number 120. Take this first part of question number 120. Instead of function, write a program. Write a program. Okay. Then your program should return. ఎక్కడెక్కడైతే ఫంక్షన్ ఉందో అక్కడ ప్రోగ్రామ్ అని పెట్టుకోండి. We are not writing functions now. We are using only programs. That's why. Okay, na? So these two you take it as a homework. That is enough. Okay. So tomorrow I will introduce you tuples. Tuples ante enti, tuples structure ela untundi, tuple functions enti, because till now we did string functions and list functions. Tomorrow we will see about the tuple functions and also dictionary functions if possible.